What's up everybody, I'm RED and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the Snatched palette by GLOGIRL Cosmetics. Stay tuned. So for this video, I'll be doing a review, and before I get started, I just wanted to show you guys the gorgeous packaging. It's just a light purple cover, and the word Snatched with the beautiful crown is in gold. And yes, it's glowing. She's glowing. And this is just a cover for it. So I love the packaging. It's simple, it's clean, and it's beautiful. It really caught my attention. Like when I got it, girl, I was so excited. Like I'm a glitter type girl. I love things that sparkle. I love things that shine. So I was super excited, and even in the light, like it's got a lot going on. Like yes. So I'm about to show you guys the colors. So here we go. Yeah. Wait, are you? Yes, for the glow. So these are the colors right here. Nice variety of colors. Let me try and get my focus together, because this thing is, when I tell you GLOGIRL was not playing with y'all, she was not playing with y'all. So in this palette, there's some mattes. You know, we have a few mattes, and there's also some very nice shimmers. But one thing I really enjoyed about this palette was the variety of colors. I get a lot of my makeup from the drugstore, so there's not too many, you know, bright pinks and bright blues, and I always get very neutral tones. So I was really pleased and super excited to try this palette out when I saw all the purples and peaches and really nice golds and mattes and shimmers. Like there's a huge variety in this palette, so I highly encourage you guys to try it. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these colors for you guys on my skin, so you can see what they look like on my skin in real time and in real life, and not just, you know, sitting in the palette. So let's get started. Swatches, and I know my swatches look a little crazy because the lines aren't straight, because I could not really see, but this is what they will look like in real time on your skin, and I love it. Like I said, I really underestimated this palette when I saw it, because I was like, it's just gonna be like every other palette, you know, it's just gonna, you know, whatever. But I was really super impressed with these colors. Like I love the colors, and I wasn't expecting them to really be, you know, popping, really pigmented like they are, but they really are. So I'm super excited. Like even the mattes show up really well. You know, I'm not very dark skinned, but I'm not very light skinned either. I'm a medium color, so sometimes I have trouble with mattes. Like sometimes they just don't show up, but these definitely show up. So yeah, yes, go girl. So yesterday I was trying to figure out what kind of eye did I want to do, and I'm not very good with eyeshadow yet. I haven't completely mastered eyeshadow. I don't have it down packed, so I do a simple 1 2 3 method, which is pretty much just using 3 colors, one right here at the top, one color in your crease, and one on the very peak of my eyelid. So for this look I did, which it came out very successful. I'm super pleased with it. I've gotten a lot of compliments today, and I think the best thing about it is that it matches my hair, and it really showed up. Thank you, GLOGIRL. Like you really had me glowing today. So this is the look I decided to do. Please don't mind my lashes. It's kind of windy outside, so they wanted to fly away. But I'm very pleased with this look. I think it goes so well with my skin tone, which is so important to me when it comes to eyeshadows. Oftentimes there's eyeshadows that's like, that wouldn't look good on your eye, girl. But this palette right here, I think this palette is going to be my new best friend. So once again, thank you, GLOGIRL Cosmetics. But for this eyeshadow look, I just went with this peachy orange at the top. Let me adjust my lighting. I went with this peachy orange at the top right here. so at the very top. And I went in my crease with this beautiful, gorgeous purple, of course, to match my hair. And just put it in, let's fix this lighting, Lord. I put this purple in my crease right here. And I took this nice orange shimmer in the middle. This one is more of like a gold, but this one is closer to orange. I took this orange shimmer and put it right on the peak of my eyelid. And it turned out so beautiful, you guys. Like I really had fun with this palette, and I hope you guys go buy one for yourself so you guys can have fun with it too. And one more thing, the Snatch palette does come with a mirror, so that really helps. That really helps me, because sometimes, you know, you might be on the go, you might be in the car, you might have something to do, you might be like outside of class, anywhere, any situation, you have a mirror with you so you can just quickly, you know, do what you got to do with the eyeshadow and keep it moving. So I love when palettes come with mirrors, so that's really exciting. But overall, this product is a 10 out of 10. It's clearly trying to take all of my shine, because the lighting and my camera's focus keeps going right to this palette. So thank you, Glow Girl. Thank you. Wonderful job. Beautiful eyeshadows. Once again, lots of variety. And not only is there a lot of variety with this palette, but these colors go together like a family. Like, you know, like there's cousins, brothers, uncles, sisters, even the next door neighbors. Like, this palette works so well together. Even when I was playing with the colors, they blended so nicely. I didn't have to find shades that are closer in tone to, you know, put it together on my eye. I used purple and orange, and they're across from each other on color wheel. So hello, beautiful pigment. I love it. So thank you, GLOGIRL Cosmetics. Well, everyone, that is it for my review on the Snatch palette by GLOGIRL Cosmetics. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your family and friends. Thank you to Impressions of Beauty for sending me this wonderful product, and thank you to GLOGIRL Cosmetics for allowing me to do a review. See you guys later!